Let's talk about expressions with the word edge. Number 1, on edge. If you describe someone as being on edge, it means that they're nervous or tense. An on-edge person may be feeling anxious because they're in an uncertain situation. I've been on edge all day waiting for these test results. Number 2, edgy. The term edgy can have a couple different meanings. The first meaning is very similar to being on edge. It means you're kind of nervous and just feeling anxious. She was nervous and edgy. She couldn't stand still. Edgy can also have a positive meaning. It can mean something bold or daring or unconventional. Her edgy fashion sense always made her stand out in a crowd. The movie was praised for its edgy storyline. And cutting edge. Cutting edge can be used as an adjective or a noun. It means the latest and most advanced stage of development of something. The university has cutting edge equipment. Adjective. This treatment is on the cutting edge of medical technology. Noun. Can you think of any other expressions with the word edge? Let me know. All right, I'll see you next time.